Good morning to all. I'm Vasuki from KSR College of Engineering. I'm working as an assistant professor in the Department of CSE. Today we are going to discuss about big data. Big data is nothing but a huge amount of data. It is a combination of structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. Nowadays we are getting more data from social media, in medical field, IoT sensor, in financial and the data, in stock marketing. With this huge amount of data, how we are going to extract the insights and informations from the data? Um, for that, we are using a big data analytics. Big data analytics is a process of collecting a huge amount of data from various sources like social media. Previously, I told, right, social media, the stock market, then IoT sensor data. From that, we are extracting the insights and useful information. Nowadays, organizations are collecting various data from the social media and website. From that, they are abstracting the useful insight for their business decision making process, where we are using big data application. We are using big data application in education, government, healthcare, banking, agriculture, fast food, airline, e-commerce. The characteristics of big data. Big data comes under four types of characteristics: volume, velocity, variety, veracity. Volume, in the four characteristics of big data, we are having both structured, unstructured, semi-structured data, and the size of the data may be data exceeds a terabyte, petabyte, zettabyte. Volume, what is the volume? Volume means how much data is generated. Nowadays, in social media and in social media, in IoT sensor, then in stock market, we are generating data in terabytes, petabyte. How much data we are generating, that refers to the volume of data. How much quantity of data we are generating. Then we are going to discuss about velocity. Velocity, how fast we are generating the data. How fast data are generating. See, in this picture, for 60 seconds in Facebook, people are creating 3.5 million posts. Then in Twitter, 4.5 tweets. In YouTube, 400 hours of video uploaded. In Google search, 3.1 million people are searching the data within 60 seconds. Huge amount of data is generating very fast. That is velocity. Then variety. Variety is different forms of data. We are generating structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data, different kinds of data, image, text, and in table format, video. That refers to the variety of data. It's in different format of data, different formats of data. Variety. See, in DBMS, we are using structured data, unstructured data, Word, Excel, PDF. Semi-structured data is in the combination of both structured and unstructured. That is semi-structured data. It is in JSON or in Excel structure format. Then we move to veracity. Veracity is meaning quality or correctness, accuracy of the data. Out of this three, this veracity plays the major role. We need accuracy and correct data for processing and getting the correct business values. So veracity plays major role in big data. Values refers to insights gained from the data. It means given data set whether it produce useful data. Data we are gathering from the huge amount, is it's valuable data or it is an unvaluable data. Using that data, we are going to take a decision. We are going to take decision making. Types of big data. There are three types of big data. That is structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data. Uh, in structured data, it refers to it's in a fixed format. It may be in a table, data may be in a tabular format, rows and columns, or in an Excel file or a SQL file. It is a structured and fixed data. See, for example of structured data, uh, employee table in database, we are storing the data in structured format, table format, rows and in column format. That is an example of structured data. Fixed data, fixed data structure. Unstructured data, it does not have any fixed format for storing the data. It may be a text data, it may be an image or video. So unstructured data, we don't have any fixed format. Format. Then we are moving to example of unstructured data. Suppose if we are searching data in a Google search, we will get unstructured data. It may be in the combination of text, image and video. That is unstructured data. It don't have any fixed format. Then we move on to semi-structured data. Semi-structured data means it is in the combination of both structured and unstructured data. Here we does not use any table to store the data. Instead of table we use tags, and tags are markers like JSON file, XML file, CVS files are examples of semi-structured data. Example, email we send or receive are also an example of semi-structured data. So big data deals with all these types of data. Big data mainly focus on huge amount of data, how we are handling this huge amount of data to get the valuable insights for our business or enterprises organization. So how we are going to handle and get the valuable data from that huge amount of data. That's the main use of big data. We can able to store huge amount of in traditional database. It's plain huge. You see, we can't store the huge amount of data. So we are moving for many tools like Hadoop, MapReduce to store the data efficiently and to handle it, handle the data. Thank you for listening the video.